In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best car headlight bulbs available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the car headlight bulbs list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the car headlight bulbs mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Driverise D3S D1S LED 3000W. The Driverise D3S LED headlight bulbs stand out with a staggering 3000W power and 3 million lumens, making them among the brightest on the market. Designed with 30 PCS CSP chips and a 360 degrees beam angle, they ensure unmatched brightness and full road coverage. Suitable for various D-series models, D1S, D2S, D3S, D4S, D5S, D8S, etc., they use aviation aluminum 6063 for efficient heat dissipation. These CE-certified bulbs are compatible with multiple car brands including Hyundai, Nissan, and Honda. They are an excellent high-performance lighting upgrade for serious drivers. Number 4, Xenon H735W55W Slim Ballast Kit. The Afarnova Xenon H7 HID kit offers powerful xenon lighting with options of 35W and 55W output. It includes a slim ballast and is designed to replace traditional halogen bulbs in high or low beam setups. Available in 4300K and 6000K color temperatures, this kit supports a wide range of bulb types, H1, H3, H11, H4-3, 9005, 9006, etc., and fits various models including Audi A4, Toyota Camry, and Honda Accord. With a 3,200-hour lifespan and wide operating temperature range, it ensures durability and excellent nighttime visibility. Perfect for those upgrading from halogens to HID lighting. Number 3, D-Series D1S D3S LED bulbs. The D-Series D1S/D3S LED bulbs are built for powerful and reliable illumination, compatible with 12V and 24V systems. These bulbs emit a 6500K white light and are canvas-ready to prevent error codes on your dashboard. With a compact and universal design, they easily replace D1S, D2S, D3S, D4S, and D5S bulbs across various vehicle brands. They're CE and FCC certified, offering a trustworthy upgrade for both style and performance. Ideal for drivers seeking hassle-free installation and dependable brightness on the road. Number 2, Oxido 2 PCS 22000 LM Turbo. The Oxido 2 PCS Turbo H11 LED bulbs are a game-changer for night driving, boasting an ultra-bright 22,000 LM output at 120W per set. These 6500K canvas-ready LEDs offer 500% more brightness than standard halogens, ensuring superior road visibility. With a 1:1 halogen design, they install easily without adapters. They fit 9005, HB3, 9012, HIR2 sockets, and the universal fit makes them ideal for most 12V vehicles. Designed with CSP 7035 chips, they deliver consistent performance and a focused beam, making them a top pick for safe nighttime driving. Number 1, Philips Ultinon Rally 3551. The Philips Ultinon Rally 3551 LED bulbs are engineered for premium performance and reliability. Delivering up to 9,000 lumens per pair, these bulbs offer ultra-bright, 6500K white light, perfect for high and low beams, as well as DRLs, built with air-cooled technology. They ensure optimal heat dissipation and a long 1,500-hour lifespan. Compatible with H4, H7, H11, HB3, HB4, and HIR2 sockets, these bulbs fit a wide range of car models, including VW, Toyota, Honda, BMW, and Ford. The Philips name adds trust and quality to this powerful lighting upgrade.